I'm Kirly-sue, and today, well later on today, I'm going to a press event for Freshcano peaches. So because I am a content creator on social media, mainly YouTube, as you know, or Instagram, I get invited sometimes to press events. So how it works is they invite a number of content creators from Instagram and YouTube and so forth, and get them to come to the event and hear about the product or service. In this case it's a product, it's peaches, and they usually have some kind of activity. Today's one is going to be like a 3-course meal, which is really nice. They're going to have cocktails. Now I don't drink alcohol, but they are going to make me non-alcoholic one instead. It's in a really lovely venue, which is the Shakespeare Globe restaurant, which is on the River Thames in London, and it's a sunny day today, so it's going to be really great. I'm going along with my cousin Ryan, who comes with me sometimes to these things, so I'm going to take you with me. So I'm going to show you what it's like to go to a press event. So I hope you enjoyed coming with me to the press event. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll see more videos just like this one, and also my recipe videos, which I post every week, every Sunday at 3 o'clock as the recipe videos. And then I do a vlog style video about different other things during the week, usually on a Wednesday at 2 o'clock. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. See you next time. Bye.